Hi Millie. So I wanted to take a video for you because something happened to one of our queens on the hive on the right, and it's not doing very well. So I don't know if she died or got squished or something happened or she was old. So I ordered another queen, and it just arrived today, and you can see the new queen in the box. She has a red spot on her, and they shipped her with some little helpers to take care of her while she was being mailed. So now I have to put her in the hive, and there's some sugar, that white stuff on this end of the box. They have to eat through it, but I have to take out this little tiny cork, and then once they eat through all the sugar, they can crawl out, and by then all of the bees in the hive will accept her as their queen and do whatever she says. So I'm getting ready to use a pin and stick it in the hive on this piece of paper and hang it in the hive, and hopefully they will eat through the sugar in a couple of days, and by then all of the bees inside will start liking their new queen, and then they'll start making better honey. So I thought I wanted to make a video. Oops, the sticker started coming off. The sticker says that it has a 3-hole queen cage. Whoops. 3-hole queen cage. She's a marked queen, and it's an Italian queen. So here we go. Oop, I dropped her. She probably don't like me very much right now. Okay. Okay, they're not very happy with me. So they're flapping their wings like crazy. And on the back side, there's a whole bunch of them outside the hive. Can you see that? So I put the queen in there. They're gonna get in there eventually before nighttime. Here's the other hive. It must be kind of hot because a lot of them are sitting outside. But they're calmer than these guys because I made them mad by opening up their house and messing around in there. I kind of feel like they might have made their own queen because I saw something that looked like a queen, but I couldn't get her. So hopefully this new queen will do the trick. If I had to share, see if I turn the camera around. I'm sweating. Love you, Millie.